Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install CrystalDiskInfo or the Waifu Edition, the anime skin. So let's begin. First, go to their official website, alright? You can look for Crystal Mark Info. This is the official website. Click on that. Then click on downloads. Right over here is going to be the one we need. Just scroll down because we needed Crystal Disk Info, not the other programs. Click on Installer Vista. This is what mostly recommended on the website. Click on that and you will be redirected to the download page. Once you have the file, it's going to be a zip file. Extract that. Then over here, make sure you click on 64A. If you're not using the 64-bit, go to 32. But this is most people are using. Now, in a few seconds, it will open up. And there you go. You have your anime skin. Instead of staring at the standard layout or boring layout of the Crystal Disk Info, you have the anime skin over here. And you can actually interact with this. Or what I mean is it can report the health status. Click on the TB.
Um, this disc looks pretty okay, I guess.
Okay. This actually have lines depending on the health status of your SSD. But you can actually change or modify the theme. This is what's actually great. Like for example, you can choose dark theme, and it changes the uh, wallpaper as well. Let's see another. There's actually lots of options here, so you can simply experiment on the layout. But the most important thing is just getting the health status. The default is pretty much good. It's already so beautiful. So you don't have much to do anymore because this is just a skin. Okay, just a another thing to have more customization in your program. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.